Parrotfish are one of the most plentiful fish in Florida's warm tropical waters, and there are more than 60 species with a wide variety of colorations. The stoplight, blue, rainbow, and midnight parrotfish are common in Florida and the Caribbean. Parrotfish have fused teeth that form beak-like plates, giving them a parrot-like appearance, hence the name. They use those teeth to feed on algae that could smother the coral if they did need it, and they produce tons of coral reef sand each year. As they munch on pieces of coral to get at the algae, it is ground up by their teeth, travels through their digestive system, and excreted as white coral sand.